Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to enable, how to disable, turn off on off, a shortcut for switch access in Realme 14 Pro phone. So first of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Next, we are looking for accessibility and convenience, then accessibility. Next, we need to go to the interaction tab, and here we have the switch access. Now, shortcut option is right here. As you can see, when we enable the option, it will ask us a few things. For example, if you want accessibility button, volume keys shortcut, we can pick and choose whichever we want. And of course, when we have our shortcut, we can turn it off by simply disabling this switch right here. Next, if we have set up a shortcut, we can then go to the options, the more options, and then we can customize the shortcut a bit more. And that's all.